Introducing the CDDII W-30, the 2-ton economical electric pallet stacker. It handles a rated capacity of 2,000 kilograms with a 500 millimeters load center. Max lift height reaches 3,000 millimeters, yet the lowered mass is just 2,066 millimeters. At only 850 millimeters wide and weighing 870 kilograms, it's built for narrow aisles. Stand in operation with smooth AC drive control for daily efficiency. Powered by a 24 volts, 160 battery with a 1.5 kilowatts drive and 2.2 kilowatts lift motor. Travels up to 4.5 kilometers per hour unloaded with a lifting speed of 0.101 meters per second. Due to the limited video length, feel free to leave a comment below if you'd like to know more data.